Okay, welcome to code challenge number 37. And of course, we're looking at Boolean expressions. We are looking at using specific icons in our flowchart, and we are looking into making sure that the sequence of code is in proper order so that our code runs correctly and it evaluates the expression correctly and gives us the appropriate output. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at code challenge number 37. And this time we are going to look at two numbers that are not equal to each other, but we need the computer to evaluate that expression for us, okay? So this particular challenge says, does 26 equal 36? Now, logically, we know that it doesn't, but we're going to challenge the computer and we're going to challenge ourselves to write the code that will tell us that, okay? So with that being as it is, the pseudocode looks like this. We'll use the display statement, evaluate 26 equals 36. We will, of course, store both variables in their own variable, or I should say, both integers in their own variable. And then we'll use those variables in our decision statement rather than using the numbers themselves. Again, always using variables. This is part of computational thinking because we can use variables in so many different ways. And early on in the learning experience, students, young learners should get the experience using variables and become very comfortable with that idea. So with that, let's move to the flow chart. And at this point, they should become very comfortable using the flow chart icons, the oval, the rectangle, the parallelogram, and the diamond. And of course, using the arrows very specifically to determine how the sequence of steps is going to work, and especially at the decision icon where we have options. We have this option or this option. So with that being said, we need to check the code using the if-else structure. And let's test the computer to see if it knows if 26 is equal to 36. Let's run the code. And the computer seems to be smart enough to know that 26 is not equal to 36. I'll see you in the next code challenge.